So hi children, in that previous video we discussed about that definition of logarithm and how to convert that logarithmic form into exponential form and exponential form into logarithmic form, right? So here in this video we are going to discuss about that laws of logarithms. What is that? Laws of logarithms. Okay children, so laws of logarithms, the first law is, okay, here if m comma n are any two positive real numbers, any two positive real numbers, then log mn to the base a, which is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay, so what is that law here? If m comma n are any two positive real numbers, m comma n are any two positive real numbers, then here log mn to the base a is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay, so how it will be? We got that. This is one of the law. Okay, once again I will tell you that the law, that is log mn to the base a is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. How we got this law? Okay, just see here proof. So children, listen carefully this proof. These proofs are very useful to you. Okay, so listen. So generally everyone will tell you that log am to the base a is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. What is the proof? Okay, so that's why take here, let I am going to take that RHS here. Okay, so what is that RHS? The first one is log m to the base a, which is equals to some x. I am going to take that, let log m to the base a is equal to x. And the second part is there no here, that is log n to the base a is equals to some y. Log n to the base a is equals to some y. Okay children, so here just convert, actually here we can observe that logarithmic forms. So logarithm form convert into that exponential form. So convert it. So while you are converting into that exponential form, what you will get here? A power x, which is equals to m. Okay, this is equation number 1. And come to this one. Here a power y is equals to n. And this is equation number 2. Am I clear? A power x is equals to m, a power y is equals to n we got here. Now multiply 1 and 2 equations. Multiply 1 and 2 equations. So while you are multiplying these two, what you will get here? What is the first LHS? While you are multiplying any two equations, what we have to do? Already we learnt in that algebraic equations. While you are multiplying any two equations, okay, not expressions, any two equations, we have to multiply that LHS values and is equals to, we have to multiply that RHS values. So LHS values here a power x and here a power y. Okay, LHS values, which is equals to RHS value. What is the first one? That is m, and the next equation RHS value is n. So here a power x into a power y is equals to m into n. Now here this is in the form of exponent only, no? So in that exponential form, a power x into a power y. What is the law of exponent here we have to use? That is a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. We know that condition, right? So apply that condition here. A power x plus y, which is equals to m into n is equals to mn only, no here? Okay. So here after we are getting this one, just apply, actually we need to get the value in that logarithm form only, no? In that exponential form we got that value. So again apply that logarithm. Apply log to the base a. Log to the base a, which is nothing but log to the base a on both sides. Okay, that one only written form I written here. Apply log to the base a on both sides of the equation. So actually what is the equation here? A power x plus y is equals to mn. To this one we have to apply log to the base a. So here write that log a power x plus y to the base a. Understood? We are not changing this exponential forms here. Just we are applying log to the base a only I am adding. And here also same thing. Just add that log to the base a. Okay. So how we can read this? Log a power x plus y to the base a, which is equals to log mn to the base a. Okay. So what will be happen here? See that. So after getting that log a base a, here we can observe that log a base a value. Already we know that log a base a value is always equals to 1. Yes, very good. So which is equals to 1 power x plus y. Actually we will return this one as log a to the base a value is equals to 1, no? So that one become as x plus y here. So x plus y is equals to log mn to the base a, and we know that here log x plus y, what we taken as x here, log m to the base a. So we can write this one as x plus y is equals to log mn to the base a. Okay, actually x is equals to, we taken that here x is equals to log m to the base a plus, and here y is equals to, we taken that log n to the base a, which is equals to, here what is that RHS? Log mn to the base a. Actually first we taken here LHS, sorry we taken here RHS and we proved that LHS. Did you understand? So again we got here the same rule. Okay, just we taken here from this law, we taken that RHS. By taking in that RHS, log m to the base a is equal to x and log n to the base a is equals to y. After I converted that logarithmic form into exponential form, okay, then we are getting here a power x is equal to m, a power y is equal to n. After what we taken here? Multiplication, its product. So product of LHS is equal to product of RHS. So while you are producing those two, we are getting here the product a power x plus y is equals to mn. Okay, and we know that here exponential law we use that is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n form only, no? So like that. After I applied that log to the base a values to that both sides of that equation. Okay, and here we know that log a base a value is equals to 1, we know that. So here the leftover value is x plus y. So x plus y is equal to log mn to the base a. And we know that instead of that x and y already we taken here some values, no? So those values we have to substitute here. So what we got finally? Log mn to the base a, which is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Did you understand? Yes, this is the first law. From this one we can generalize that some other formula also. I will tell you that one now. So just now only we discussed now one of the law. What is that? Log mn to the base a, which is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay children, here we taken the two values, that's why we written like this. If we are going to take that three values, then take the three values here, log p q r to the base a. So what is the formula to write here? Yes, that is log p to the base a plus log q to the base a plus log r to the base a. Did you understand? Here two values only we taken, that's why here we got that two values. Okay, log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay, two expressions we got here. Here we taken three values, so we got here three terms. Understood? Okay, so like that only log r to the base a. Okay, so like that only here log a b c d to the base 10. Log a b c d to the base 10. So how we can write this? Yes, same formula, log a to the base 10 plus log b to the base 10 plus log c to the base 10 plus log d to the base 10. Did you understand here? Okay, so like this way how we can generalize that. So from this one we can generalize that. What we can generalize from this one? log of, for example here a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on up to an. Okay, and here base 10. Okay, what is the formula from this one we can write? Yes, here we can say that PQ are in that product, ABCD are in product, MN is in product, right? Those two values are in product. So that product we are getting here addition. Okay, so see here we are getting actually 4 values there, so that's why we are getting here 4 terms. And here 3 values there, so we got that 3 terms. But here infinitely many values, n is equals to what is the value, we don't know that. Okay, then what we have to write? Here also we can apply the same formula, that is equals to log a1 to the base 10 plus log a2 to the base 10 plus and so on up to log an to the base 10. Understood? This is the generalization from that above formula here. Okay, we can say that is a law or formula, whatever it may be. Okay children, did you understand? What is the first law of logarithm? That is log mn to the base a is equals to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Okay, so that is the first law. So from this one we can generalize that log a1, a2, a3 and so on up to an to the base 10. Okay, so we can apply the same formula here, that is equals to log a1 base 10 plus log a2 base 10 plus and so on up to log an base 10. Here we are not changing that base values. Okay, so if the given values that is in the form of a product, then only we can write in that addition form. Understood? And here for example m plus n is there, then we cannot write in this form. Okay, just observe that here m and n both are in multiplication, then only we are writing by using that addition. Understood ma? So this is the first law. What is the next law? See here. So here the second law is, here again m comma n are any two real numbers, positive real numbers, then log m by n to the base a, which is equals to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Okay children, just we have to observe one thing. Previous law we taken here the values which are in product. Previous law product is there means here we written that addition. Okay, here division is there, that's why here subtraction is there. Just you have to observe that thing. Product is there means the values which are in product, which are in multiplication form, then what will come here? What symbol will come here? Addition symbol will come. Okay, and here division is there means what symbol will come in that middle? That is subtraction. Okay, this is the second law. What is that second law here? Log m by n to the base a is equals to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Okay, so what is the proof? See here. Okay, so what is the proof? Again I am going to take that RHS values. What is that? RHS value I am going to take here, that is let log m to the base a is equal to some x. Okay, and here it is log n to the base a is equal to some y. Okay, so from this one logarithmic form just convert into exponential form. What you will get here? Just we have to change these two values, no? So a power x is equals to m, and here it is a power y is equals to n. Okay, so this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay children, and previous one more thing, previous law here we taken product, that's why while we are taking that proof also we taken as a multiply 1 and 2 equations. Here what is that form? Division. So what we have to do? Yes, very good, divide. So divide 1 and 2 equations here. Divide 1 and 2. Okay, while you are dividing that any equations, what we have to do? First we have to divide that LHS value which is equals to divide that RHS value. So a power x by a power y which is equals to m by n. Okay, now here this one we can write it as a power x by a power y, a power x by a power y, and we know that now this is in that exponential form. Exponential form, here we can apply that one of the law of exponent. What is that? a power m by a power n, which is equals to a power m minus n. This formula already we know that, right? So apply the same formula here. So a power x minus y, which is equals to m by n, which is equals to m by n. Now again we have to apply that log to the base a on both sides. Apply log to the base a on both sides. Okay, just apply that here. Actually the equation is a power x minus y, which is equals to m by n. So apply here log to the base a on both sides. Log to the base a. Here also log to the base a, log m by n to the base a, log a power x minus y to the base a. Okay, so here log a base a, which is equals to 1, we know that. So the leftover thing is x minus y, which is equals to log m by n to the base a. Actually children, here log a base a we are saying 1, that's why here x minus 1 I am saying. Actually here we have to use that another law. Okay, that is log a power m to the base b is equal to, we written this one as log a to the base b. In that first video I told you that, right? So I'll tell you that proof also I said. So after completion of this one I'll tell you that proof also. Actually we have to apply this condition here. Okay, you don't know about this condition, no? So that's why I'm saying that here log a to the base a is equals to 1. So that's why directly take that x minus y. I am saying that. But here actually the reason behind that is, this is in the form of log a power m to the base a. Okay, so that's why that one we can write it as m log a to the base b. Okay, at this case as log m. So what is the log m value here? M value is nothing but x minus y into log a to the base a. Now we can apply that log a base a value. Log a base a value is equals to 1. So x minus y into 1 is equals to, again you will get it as x minus y only, no? So that's why I am saying that here log a base a, by using behind that reason is this one only, ma. Okay, so that's why here x minus y is equals to log m by n to the base a. And we know that x and y value, already we taken x instead of that log m to the base a. So write that value here, log m to the base a minus log n to the base a, which is equals to log m by n to the base a. RHS is equals to, we are getting here LHS. This is one only, no LHS here. Okay, that's what we written here, LHS. What is that? Log m by n to the base a. Is it clear? So LHS is equals to RHS. Did you understand ma this one? So this is that second law. Okay, so what is that second law here? Log m by n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Okay, so in that previous first law, what is that? Here if you will get that m and n both are in product, then here plus sign will come. And in that proof, product is there means multiplication only will come. And come to this law, here m by n division form is there. So that's why here subtraction will come, as well as in that proof also here division form is there. That's why just we can apply that division. Okay, just keep these things in your brain. After that you will get answers. Okay, so this is that second law. Okay.